Hi guys, welcome again to the channel, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to delete data from the table and then how to delete the table. So let's just see how to delete the data from the table. So we'll delete, then from, our table name is my first table. Okay, so this query will delete the two rows. It means this query will delete all data from the table, and we can check from the statement that there is no data remained. So now what if we want to delete only one data? Let's just insert two data first. So we inserted again 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, so 1 plus 1 2 row inserted, and we will write the statement delete from my first table, where we can use the where clause here, where my column is equals to 1 2 3. So now let's run the query. So the one row is deleted. Previously the whole table, not the table but the whole content of the table was deleted, but now only one row is deleted. So we can check it that 1 2 3 is deleted and 4 5 6 is still there. So and there is one more way we can delete the whole content of the table, which is truncate. In truncate, the whole content of the table will be deleted. However, we cannot use the where clause with truncate. So we will insert two rows again and then truncate table my first table and run the query. So the my first table truncated. So ideally there should not be any data in this column. Now we can delete the whole table by the drop statement. We dropped the table before using GUI, and now we will drop table using SQL. Drop table my first table, and we will run the query. So the table my first table is just dropped, and as you can see, let's refresh it, and you will not be able to find the my first table in this table list. So that's how you can delete whole table. That's it for today's lecture, and see you guys in another lecture.